Okay. Just the quick end of run summary. So, as we saw, I finally got the ET8 to start, and then it promptly ran away and bound up somehow. So it will not turn, and I do not know what is up with that. So I guess I will be tearing that apart. I did order it from Bang Goods, so I will check on their website because there is a return button or a complaint button, and we'll see if there's anything from that, because I do have it on video for the first run. And then this little, I don't remember which model this is, the M series, was running. Finally got it running. I have not touched the needle valve because it was so testy, but it ran for 5 or 10 minutes and then it was having trouble again. And the last time I had to Loctite this flywheel in place, well, the grub screw has come loose on this flywheel on the back here where the starting thing is. So I am going to have to put that back together, but we'll do that a different day because it is getting later in the morning on Saturday and I have other things to do in the afternoon. I'm just really excited I got this little opposed piston single cylinder running, because it's just really cute. I'm not surprised I had so much trouble this morning. It is 10 Fahrenheit out, 12 Fahrenheit out, which is still, you know, almost minus 20 Canadian. And that's cold enough that even regular engines can have trouble starting. Carbureted engines definitely have issues in cold this deep. And these little engines are always a bit harder to start than a full-size engine, just because they tend to be a bunch testier. So I'm not surprised I had so much trouble. I did, you know, get them both started. I'm really excited this one's running. And hopefully next weekend it won't be nearly so cold, so I'll be able to, after this flywheel is fixed again, get this little opposed piston engine to run for longer than 5 minutes. I still haven't figured out, I don't like that the fans draw air off of the cylinders. I'd like that they'd be blowing air over the fins. So I need to look, and I'm going to maybe look and see if I can turn these fans around, but I don't think, yeah, that's not how fans work. I'll have to figure out how to get them to turn the other way. And if I'm feeling really adventurous, that might mean retiming the whole engine to run the other direction. But we'll see. Yeah. Back on the it was really cold part, I did have to, when I moved my car out of the garage to get the table set up to play with these, I did have to go over to the Firestone and get air in my tires because the air, it's so cold that my tires were low this morning. So, yeah. And hopefully next weekend it will not be so bitterly cold and we'll be able to play a bit more.